Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come back in and do an update on my Louis Vuitton Speedy B25 that I took in to get repaired 6 weeks ago. Actually, no, I'm sorry, 3 weeks ago. They did quote me that it was going to be ready in 6 weeks, but it was actually done in 3 weeks. Amazing service. So what happened with the with my Speedy, and I'm going to show you some clips of it now. So here's the before picture before I had taken her in for repair. I did want to show you the glazing, the before glazing. You see how it's all like wrinkly and like peeling off? And it looks like it's like cracked right there. So all the other glazing, excuse me. Well, there's a little like, it looks like it's kind of peeling up right there. The glazing on this handle looks bad, whereas the glazing on this handle is not too bad, but it looks like there's a little scuff right there, and kind of like right there. So I'm gonna go in and see if LV can replace the glazing, and I'm gonna save this recording and come back in a couple of weeks, several weeks actually. I think they quote you up to 6 weeks before it gets done. But I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards and what my experience is, okay? I just wanted to show you her real quick as well. She is a 2014 bag. I cleaned her up real well. I bought her from Tradesy, and she's in phenomenal condition except for the handle. Oh, you can see it better right here. So I'm going to take her in right now, see what they tell me, see how long it's going to take before I get her back, and I'm going to come back with an updated video, like I said. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, see, so you saw the clip of how the handles were, or not the handles, the glazing on the handles were peeling, right? So I had to take it in to get repaired because I didn't want it to get worse. So I did take it in, and I'm gonna give you a little clip right now as well, showing you what they told me. Okay, you guys, so I just dropped off my bag in at Louis Vuitton, and they said that they couldn't replace the glazing. They had to replace the whole entire handles, like both of the handles. They don't just replace the glazing. So I was like, what? So now my bag is going to be like, you know, all the leather on it is going to be super patina, but the handles is going to be completely white, like brand new white. I hate that brand new white look, you know what I mean? So, whatever. I mean, I needed the glazing to be repaired. Obviously, we couldn't do that, so I just got the whole complete handles replaced, not to include the chaps. So they handed me the little envelope, and it's gonna cost me $240 to replace both of the handles. I guess, whatever, you know, I mean, they can't replace the glazing, so I guess. She asked me if I wanted to replace the chaps on top of it. I was like, okay, so how much is that going to be? And she's like, it's going to be like $430. So I was like, $430? No. I got the bag in such a good deal that, you know, if I would have paid $430 additional, I could have just gotten a brand new bag from the boutique. You know, it makes no sense. So it's going to take about 8 weeks. I'll show you what it looks like when she arrives. I'm sorry about my appearance right now. I had a really bad morning. Super bad morning. I don't even know. Anyways, I'll give you an update of what the bag looked like when I finally get her and what my experience was. The essay I had was super great. Oh, did you know that they can tan the leather, the handles, upon customer request? So she told me about it. She says that they don't really tell anybody, but if you put in a request to have your leather tanned, they will tan it for you. So I'm like, what? So they're going to tan the leathers. It's not going to look like the rest of the bag, but at least it'll be somewhat not so white-ish, if that makes sense. So I'm like, cool. So that's something, that's some good info right there. She also said the lock on LV standards, because I had the lock on the bag that was on the D-ring on the outside, and I didn't have the key, so it was just stuck there. So she went to the back and she found a key. She unlocked it for me, and she says, do you want me to put it on the LV standards way? And I'm like, LV standards way to put on a lock? What? Okay. So then she put it on the left side of the bag. And to be honest with you, I don't know what the left side of the bag is, because with the LVs, you can't tell what's the front and the back. I mean, I don't know. Can you? Do you know? So she said the LV standards, in the stores, they put all the locks to the left on the bag. That's how they display their bags at the store. Cool, I guess. I was like, I don't even know the back and front, so it doesn't even really matter. Anyways, I'll come back later. 8 weeks later. Oh, that's so long. Bye. Okay, so you saw the clip. I just left the store, and they told me that they can't replace the glazing, that I have to get the whole handles replaced. Okay, cool. 3 weeks later, which is today, I dropped it off on March 8th. April 8th. Today's May 1st. So it's been approximately 3 weeks. My SA texted me and she said it's ready. Come pick it up. And I'm like, yes. So they did give me a brand new bag. They also gave me a dust bag. They didn't give me a box. They did give me a dust bag, and it's a drawstring, which is awesome. I bought this bag from Tradesy, and Tradesy has the most horrible shipping services ever. Like, every time they ship something, it's never, their shipping, their packaging is just horrible. So I'm glad I got a dust bag. It's a brand new dust bag. And it came like this. Okay, they did, wrap it up in the way they always wrap it up. So they have the handles wrapped like this. So I've already looked at this, because before you leave the store, you actually have to take a look at the bag. So I'm going to rip off this plastic. I should have been more prepared. I'm just going to rip off one side for you. So they do wrap up the handles really well. Now, she said that she put a note on there, like I told you, when I left the store, that to please tan the handles, because I was so nervous. This bag is 5 years old. I did buy it pre-loved. Let me just show you real quick what the patina looks like when I bought her. So it's a pretty honey patina. It's really pretty still. See, this is the honey patina. So when they put on the new handles, obviously it's going to be white. Look at the difference between. Is it too bright? Let me lower that. Let me lower my light real quick. There, I think you can see it better. So that's the patina that, the original patina of the 5-year-old patina, and this is the new handles. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's really doable, considering it's a brand new handle that they put on there. So I can easily just, bake her out in the sun, because I live in Texas and the sun is always booming here. Gosh, hold on, if I could ever take off this thing. I'll be right back. I'm going to get a knife. Okay, sorry, I'm back. So there's what the handles look like. Super white. Let's look at the glazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I noticed that they actually put on new hardware on there as well. This hardware, I have to admit, feels cheap. I don't know. I'm pulling out my damier bean just to look at the difference. I don't know. This one that they put on feels a little bit more hollow. I don't know. It just feels cheap. I don't know. So they did replace the hardware as well. Now, let's look at her from afar. She looks like a brand spanking new bag. I mean, these handles are gonna last me for years, and I take such good care of my bags. It's gonna last me forever. I just want you guys to look at that again, brand new. So they did say, she did say that they tanned the handles a little bit, so it's not even as white as it would be brand new. It's freaking gorgeous. I actually ordered a bag organizer. I ordered it in yellow from Amazon, but they sent me an orange one, so whatever. I'm gonna use it. Not too happy about that because that's the first time Prime has ever did me wrong as far as sending me a wrong color, but I'm gonna use this orange one. I thought it was a cute pop of color. Cute little organizer. You know, it kind of goes, right? I want it yellow, but oh well, whatever. There's an insert. There's like, I don't know what this is. Too much going on. So there's an insert. There looks like there's a zipper right here. Cute. I gotta mold it out. So I'm gonna put her in real quick, the organizer in the bag, because I like my Speedy 25 to be, that's the receipt. I like my Speedy 25 to be structured. Because, you know, I just like that look. Oh my God. Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, it's gonna fit. It's just, it's gonna fit. Give me a second to fuss with it. Ooh, this bag organizer is super stiff. It's not like my other ones. My other ones are like super soft. Okay, here we go. Oh, not bad. Okay, it looks good. I thought maybe I got a size too big or something, but nope. I just had to mess with it. You know, when you get new stuff, it's hard and stuff. That looks super cute. See, look at the orange on the inside. I think it's cute. It actually comes with a little center insert as well, but I don't think I'm going to use that because the bag's small enough. So here she is. Here's my brand new. Look, the creases are still in there. That has to work its way out. I have my straps. You know, like I said, this bag is going to last me for years and years and years. It's practically brand new. Once you put a new handle on the bag, I mean, the canvas is already in great condition. There's no cracks, there's no stains, there's nothing wrong with the bag. It is 5 years old, like I said. It doesn't look too bad. You know, I mean, as far as the white goes, I thought it was going to look really bad. As far as it being two different colors. It is two different colors still. But it's okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap her up like in a pillowcase or something and just leave the handles out and just stick her out in the sun. So real quick, my experience with LV was great. They charged me $240 to repair the handles, $240 plus tax. It was like $260. By the time I paid, it was like $260. They did give me a brand new dust bag, a drawstring dust bag on top of it, and I didn't have the dust bag when I first bought the bag, so I'm super grateful for that. And a little bag too. I mean, it's always cute to get a bag, right? And here's a receipt and stuff that they showing that they did the repair for me. So let me just show you the price real quick. I went to Saks Fifth to get it repaired. It's the Louis Vuitton in my Saks Fifth. And let me just show you what it costs, if you can see it. It is where? Do you guys see it? Right there, it's backwards. $259.80, so about $260, let's just say, plus tax, to get her repaired. Not bad. I have a brand new bag. I'm gonna say this is a brand new bag, even though it's not. It's 5 years old, but with the handles, I'm going to take care of these handles. So I don't think I'm going to spray it. I'm going to let it do its thing naturally. I'm not going to olive oil it, nothing. Not going to repel it with any kind of like rain repellent. The glazing is beautiful. Excuse me. I've been trying to get over this cough for the longest time. So now I have my trifecta. You guys, I love my Speedy 25 bandolier. If it does not have the straps, I would not wear a Speedy 25 by itself.
it doesn't, I don't feel like it looks good on me on the crook of my arm without the handle, without the shoulder strap. Because I wear, the way I wear it's like this, shoulder strap, or like this, shoulder strap wise. Let me back up you. Oh my God, my baby's back home, you guys. See, and the handles doesn't look too bad. You know what I mean? Nobody will notice, whatever. Anyways, thank you for stopping by. Please like this video as it would help me out a lot. And my baby says goodbye.